Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about the 60-day data analyst roadmap. A roadmap that will take you from zero to hero in 60 days as a Tableau developer. Now, there are many roadmaps that you can take as a data analyst. You can use the Power BI route, you can take the Tableau route, or you can take the Click route, or you can take the Python route, or you can take the R route. In this video, we are going to talk about the Tableau route. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide this into two. First 15 days, it will be Microsoft Excel, and the last 45 days will be focused on Tableau. All right, let's see how it looks like. The end goal here by the day 60 is for you to be able to analyze and clean data, to build dashboards, to tell stories, because that's basically what analysts do. So here is the structure. We are going to spend 15 days in Excel, Tableau fundamentals 7 days, advanced calculations in Tableau about 8 days, deep calculations in Tableau, such as LODs, you are going to spend 20 days in there, then 10 days to build your portfolio and to refine your skills. Okay, let's go back into Excel. So for 15 days, by the end of 15 days, you should be able to clean data. You should be able to use formulas and logic. You have to do pivot tables. But what does it look like? I'm going to subdivide this into sections. So from day 1 to day 5, master Excel fundamentals. Here, we want to organize data. We want to build basic charts and core functions. And I'm sure most people by this time and age, they're able to do this. You just need to be able to focus in a data analyst role. All right. So day 6 to day 10, we want you to do advanced calculations such as VLOOKUPs, XLOOKUPs, index, mesh, and many others that you can find in Excel. Day 11 to day 50, we want you to do refine your Excel skills. So you are talking for tables, calculations, or calculated fields in Excel, and even Power Query. Now, most people, they go into the weeds with Excel. In reality, in a business, let's say you are hired as a Tableau developer or Power BI developer. Yes, you're going to use Microsoft Excel, but most of the work or most of your time will be spent in the tool, which is Tableau in our case. So do not get super sucked into the Excel basics. Just know the basics and move into Tableau. All right, now we are on day 16 and we are starting to work on Tableau. No Tableau foundations. Tableau is a tool used for data visualization. So know the foundations, learn the Tableau interface, the data connections, the basics of dimensions and measures, discrete and continuous measures. Know interactivity. So create filters, parameters, dynamic calculations. And also at this time, I wanted to get introduced to fixed LODs, include and exclude. That will help you in your visualization journey. All right, day 16 to day 20. This is now where we want to deep dive. I wanted to explore the Tableau interface again, connect to data, learn the fundamental concepts, dimensions versus measures, discrete versus continuous, build your first dashboard with the basic visualization. Don't get too much sucked into the weeds again. Just know the basics, know the flow from how you connect, gather data, and all the way to building dashboards and creating stories. Okay, let's go ahead and let's talk about day 23 to day 30. So here we want you to master interactivity. We're talking about filters. Know what are filters and the order of operations. Context filters, know dimension filters, measure filters, LOD-based filters. Know how it jives together. Parameters. Know how parameters are used in a visualization. And also your calculations, because 9 out of 10, every dashboard that you're going to create, it will have some calculations behind it. All right, day 31 to day 40. Now we are deep diving in LODs. There are 3 types of LODs: fixed, include, and exclude. So most of the time you're going to be using fixed, but at least you have an appreciation of what include means, what it is, use it in a practical example, and exclude, use it in a practical example or in your dashboard so that you can have a good hands-on experience with it. Day 41 to day 50. This is where you want to master advanced dashboard design, polish and optimize. Now, put everything that you have learned into one and come up with something that is very easy to consume as a user. Now, we are talking of dashboard actions. We are talking of tooltips, performance tuning, design. Is it mobile ready or what? We are talking of best practices in displaying data. There's a lot of tons of data out there that you can use to optimize this day 41 to day 50. Day 51 to 60, we are now learning how to publish a dashboard, publish a data source, and publish a workbook. And also in this time period, we are learning how to participate in interviews. What are interviewers looking for, and how do you convey this information that you have, and you will be able to get that job. So day 150, that's where you refine your portfolio and prepare for your interviews. So portfolios for Tableau, you are going to just create your portfolio and publish it for free on the Tableau public website so that you can share with the interviewers of the things that you've done. All right. Now the key here is not that it's not that it's impossible to do. The key here is that it's possible for you to do it. All you need is consistency, execute, and create your portfolio. Now, if you set aside 4 hours every day for 60 days, that's more than enough. You can literally complete this. If you do 4 hours a day, you can literally complete this in about 30 or 40 days. And now, after you have done everything, if you want to, you can then go ahead and sit for a certification exam, or you can start by just going straight in the interview process and apply for a job. Because remember, you don't need a certificate for you to get a job. All you need is the skill, the portfolio, and the willingness to put yourself out there. All right, that was the 60-day non